In this video, I will show you how to log in to the Crypto.com app. To do this, first go to install the Crypto.com app and then just go and click on the sign in button. Now here you have a few options. You can sign in with email, phone number, or you can continue with Apple or Google if you use those to sign up. Now I used my email, so I'll just use email here and click login. Then just verify that you are actually a human by completing a puzzle. And since I chose email and I connected my email, for me it sends a code to that email address. If you go with phone number, then it may be different, but just enter whatever code it asks. From there, it will then send a code to your connected phone number or email, basically the other one from the first one you selected. So for me, my phone number here, and I can then just enter the code. Then the final step is to enter the passcode to your account. If you forgot it, you can click forgot. In any of the previous steps, you can also say that you didn't receive it and then say the reason you lost access to the email or phone number. But here, just enter your passcode. And from there, you will be signed into your Crypto.com account. So now you know how to log into the Crypto.com app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.